Are you tired of living with constant fatigue, digestive issues, or chronic sickness that just won't go away? What if the problem isn't your body, but what you're feeding it? Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. As a doctor and cancer survivor, I spent years searching for answers, and what I found was this: food can either fuel disease or create healing. That's why I developed the ASTR diet. The ASTR diet is built on 4 healing pillars: A, anti-inflammatory; S, sustainable; T, toxin-free; R, restorative. This isn't a fad. It's a balanced, doctor-designed lifestyle to end sickness at its root. You'll learn how to fight inflammation, eliminate hidden toxins, restore gut and immune function, and eat in a way that supports total body wellness. You don't need extreme diets or endless prescriptions. You need a plan that's realistic, clean, and built to heal. In my book, Eat to Heal, I break down the ASTR diet step by step, backed by science and real-world results. Whether you're battling pain, autoimmune issues, or just want to boost energy and immunity, this is where healing starts. It's time to heal from the inside out. Get your copy today on Amazon. Click the link below to take your first step toward a healthier life.